Unlock the power of intermittent fasting. Hi there, health nuts. Listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you today. Have you been trying to lose weight, but nothing seems to work? Or maybe you feel sluggish, bloated, and just stuck? Yeah, I feel you. What if I told you the problem isn't what you eat, but when you eat? It's true. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of intermittent fasting, a proven way to burn stubborn fat, skyrocket your energy, and reset your metabolism based on your body type. We're talking science-backed strategies, guys. No fad diets. This stuff actually works. Stick around because we're also busting fasting myths, exposing common mistakes, and sharing my top success tips. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out. All right, let's break it down. What is intermittent fasting? It's not some crazy starvation diet, okay? Intermittent fasting isn't about depriving yourself. It's strategically timing your meals to optimize your body's natural fat-burning processes. Think of it like this. Eating all day means your body constantly has fuel readily available, so it stores the excess as fat. Fasting means you're giving your body a break from digestion, allowing it to tap into those fat stores for energy. But here's the kicker. It's not just about weight loss. People experience a ton of other benefits with intermittent fasting, from increased energy and mental clarity to improved insulin sensitivity and even potential anti-aging effects. This is about feeling your absolute best from the inside out. And the cool part is, it's totally customizable. We'll get into the different methods soon, so you can find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and goals. Comment below. What's your biggest struggle with dieting? Cravings, late-night snacking, or portion control? Let's figure this out together. Now, here's where most people mess up. They dive headfirst into the most extreme fasting schedule without considering their body type. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Not gonna work. So, let's figure out what works best for you. Ectomorphs, the naturally slim folks with a super fast metabolism. The 14-10 or 16-8 methods are your jam. Avoid fasting too long though, or you risk losing precious muscle mass. Mesomorphs, you athletic beasts who build muscle like it's nothing, listen up. The 16-8 or 18-6 methods will help you torch fat while preserving those hard-earned gains. And finally, endomorphs, my friends who tend to store fat more easily, we've got you covered. You'll benefit most from longer fasting windows, like 18-6, 24, or even 1 meal a day. This gives your body ample time to tap into those stubborn fat stores. Which one are you? Drop your body type in the comments, and let's find your perfect fasting match. Ever wonder what's actually happening inside your body when you fast? It's pretty amazing, actually. Let's break it down. In the initial hours, your insulin levels are still relatively high, and your body is primarily burning through the sugar from your last meal. This is where the magic starts to happen. As your insulin levels drop, your body switches gears and begins to break down stored fat for fuel. Hello, fat burning? Get ready for some serious cellular rejuvenation. Autophagy kicks into high gear during this phase. Your body is basically a self-cleaning machine, removing damaged cells and promoting cellular repair. Fasting for longer periods can lead to a surge in human growth hormone, which further accelerates fat loss, promotes muscle growth, and has a bunch of other anti-aging benefits. Now, we're talking next-level stuff. Extended fasts can lead to even more profound cellular repair, reduced inflammation throughout the body, and improved digestive health. It's incredible how our bodies are designed to heal and thrive when we give them a chance. All right, let's settle this debate once and for all. What can you have while fasting? This is where a lot of people get tripped up, so listen closely. Fasting approved. Water is your best friend during a fast. Plain, sparkling, or mineral water. Drink up. Black coffee is also a go-to for many people. Just make sure it's unsweetened. No sugar or cream. Unsweetened herbal tea is another great option to keep you hydrated and satisfied. Breaks your fast. Juices, sodas, even those sneaky zero-sugar drinks. They all spike your insulin levels and kick you out of fat-burning mode. Milk and creamer are a no-go as well. They contain sugars and fats that will break your fast. And of course, anything with calories is a big no-no during your fasting window. Be honest, have you accidentally broken your fast before? Comment below. We've all been there. The key is to learn from it and keep going. Fasting is a powerful tool, but only if you use it correctly. So many people sabotage their progress by making these common fasting mistakes. Let's make sure you're not one of them. Mistake number 1. Breaking your fast with junk food. You've just spent hours in fat-burning mode, and then you go and eat a giant pizza? Huge mistake. This sends your insulin levels soaring and triggers cravings, undoing all your hard work. Mistake number 2. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration is your enemy, my friends. It can lead to fatigue, headaches, weakness, and make fasting way harder than it needs to be. Mistake number 3. Fasting too aggressively too soon. Don't go from zero to hero overnight. Going straight to 24-hour fast without easing into it is a recipe for burnout and potential health issues. Start slow, listen to your body, and gradually increase your fasting window. All right, let's get real for a second. While intermittent fasting is amazing, it's not for everyone. Avoid fasting if you have diabetes or blood sugar issues. Talk to your doctor before making any dietary changes. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, your body needs a consistent supply of nutrients during these crucial times. And if you have a history of eating disorders, fasting can be triggering, so it's best to avoid it. But if you're generally healthy while looking to lose weight, boost energy, and feel amazing, this might be the game changer you need. Think intermittent fasting is right for you? Type "ready" in the comments. Let's do this. All right, you've got the knowledge? Now it's time to take action. Here's what to do next. Start with a 16-8 fast for 1 week. This is a great entry point for most people. Track your progress in a journal or fasting app. Seeing how far you've come can be super motivating. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Every body is different. Stay hydrated, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to reach out for support. Comment below. What fasting method are you trying first? Let's hold each other accountable. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Let's recharge and reset your health together. So, there you have it. The power of intermittent fasting is now in your hands. Remember, this isn't about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your long-term health and well-being. As always, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future health hacks. And remember, stay happy and healthy.